Available at Midco Sales is the 2020 Manac 48-foot combo drop deck trailer. This drop deck has an aluminum floor with Apatong nailer planks. A coil reinforcement package allows it to haul steel coils up to 45,000 pounds. An aluminum toolbox is mounted on the driver's side of the trailer between the spread axles. It rides on aluminum wheels and a Hendrickson air ride suspension system. Sliding winch tracks are found on both sides of the trailer. Midco Sales is a Manac trailer dealer. Visit midcosales.com to see the full inventory of drop deck and flatbed trailers available.